Today on our Dear Claire series, we're talking about what happens with winter wonderland, meaning how do I maintain my property, especially considering cold weather. In our area, it's a lot of rain, sometimes snow. It can be a bit miserable. So I'm going to just give you 5 things to think about, and ideally you would do them, or you can think about them, or you could just reach out to me and I can give you people that will help you do these things so that they're taken care of for this winter wonderland that we might be having this year. First, you want to check your windows and doors. Make sure that if you have storm windows that you put them on. Check for any gaps or any glazing that might be missing. Just kind of do a walk around of your house and check and make sure everything looks like it's working well. Because the problem is, as we get into the colder temperatures, it's going to take more energy to heat your house, and you don't want it all escaping out your window. Big one, furnace, your heat source, or your furnace or your heat source, you want to service it. So if it's gas furnace, if it's an oil furnace, those little, cadet heaters that are like a little box on the wall, all of those things need serviced. The cadets really just need you to vacuum them out. The furnace, they'll adjust the pieces that heat the fuel so that it burns more efficiently, and it burns hotter. So make sure it's like $150, guys. It's so worth just doing that for your winter season. And then ideally leave the heat on, even if you leave, because your pipes are going to burst if it drops below freezing for any length of time. So keep your heat on. I know you hate spending the money, but you got to keep your heat on. And then lastly, make sure you frost-proof your hose bibs. How's that for a mouthful? You have your hose bibs outside, and we actually have a video that you can check out on our YouTube channel that shows you exactly how you do this. And it's literally like 3 cents at the hardware store, or you can use an old rag, but you need to make sure your hose bib, if it doesn't say on the top of it frost proof, you want to wrap it and insulate it so that the freezing temperatures don't cause it to break, and then you have a big water leak. Anyways, we are going to post some more information in the comments section so that you have sort of your checklist and you don't have to keep watching this over and over again, though you're totally welcome to do so if you'd like. And I look forward to seeing you next week. If you have any real estate questions or topic that you'd like me to address, send me a message or comment below. And then also, of course, remember that we have a Paris Group Realty YouTube channel, and you can access all of our past information and some additional maintenance videos. And we cover all kinds of stuff in there. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.